California officials, along with many others across the United States, received letters this week from Stephen Miller's nonprofit organization, America First Legal. These letters warned of the consequences for interfering with or impeding illegal immigration enforcement. Stephen Miller has been appointed as President-elect Donald Trump's Deputy Chief of Staff for Policy. In a written statement, America First Legal announced it had sent 249 letters to elected officials in states and cities with sanctuary policies. Among those who received the letters were Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass, Los Angeles Police Department Chief Jim McDonnell, San Diego County Supervisor Nora Vargas, and California Attorney General Rob Bonta. The letters, dated December 23, state that individuals living in the country illegally are subject to removal, and that it is a crime to conceal, harbor, or shield them. The letter to Attorney General Rob Bonta specifically mentions a statement he made on December 4, 2024, indicating that California would not enforce federal immigration laws and encouraging defiance by all California jurisdictions. The letter warns that such rhetoric illustrates an intent to violate federal law, subjecting Bonta and his subordinates to potential criminal and civil liability. Tom Homan, Trump's incoming border czar and former acting director of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, suggested on Fox News that city officials who do not assist the administration in deporting individuals living in the country illegally could face criminal charges. He stated that knowingly concealing or harboring an illegal alien from a police officer is a felony, and warned against impeding federal law enforcement officers. In response, Rob Bonta issued a statement on Friday calling these threats a scare tactic, plain and simple. He emphasized that California lawmakers adopted Senate Bill 54 in 2017 to ensure that no state and local resources are used to assist with federal immigration enforcement. He also noted that SB 54 was upheld by the courts during the first Trump administration and prevents the use of state and local resources for federal immigration enforcement, with certain narrow exceptions. Zachary Seidel, a spokesperson for Mayor Bass, stated that the letter is wrong on public safety and wrong on the law. He affirmed that Los Angeles would always act in the best interests of its residents. Mayor Bass has expressed support for a sanctuary city law recently passed by the Los Angeles City Council, which prohibits city employees and resources from being involved in federal immigration enforcement. This law does not prevent the federal government from conducting mass deportations in the city, but signals City Hall's support for Los Angeles' large immigrant population. Nora Vargas, chair of the San Diego County Board of Supervisors, recently announced she would not serve a second term. She stated that the newly adopted board policy to restrict the use of county resources for federal immigration enforcement was developed with careful legal review to ensure compliance with federal law. Vargas emphasized that local resources would not be used for actions that separate families, harm community trust, or divert critical resources from addressing pressing challenges. She reiterated that immigration enforcement is a federal responsibility and that San Diego County would not be a tool for policies that hurt its residents.